Hello family, and welcome back to Didi's African Kitchen. Today the kids are out there playing, so we get to do this on the quiet, which is great. Today we're making bean stew. If you go to Ghana, you find red by the roadside beans and plantains. Today I'm just going to show you how we do the bean stew. So normally in Ghana we use the black-eyed peas. Here you can use your pinto beans as well, butter beans. All the beans is actually even lentil. You can use lentil for this, and it will be lovely, nice and smooth stew that you can eat with just about anything, your rice, your paratha, or any kind of bread, naan bread, whatever. Today I'm using oxtail and smoked mackerel to do this. I've got some onions here, I've got some ginger, some carrots, some scotch bonnet, the red oil, the zomi, yes, red oil, and a bit of tomatoes. So thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed and you like what I do, join the family. Just click the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. We love that. Thank you very much. Okay, so to start this stew off, you can be making this with just your tomatoes and things, but today I'm going with carrots, ginger, some onions and garlic, and some scotch bonnets here. I will just start by putting these in there. I'll blend this together whilst I pop some zomi in here, red oil, and put this on the fire. So let's cook. So now I've blended our carrot, ginger, scotch bonnets and garlic in here. The point is, when I cooked the oxtails, you know how long it takes. So yeah, I cooked them beforehand so that we don't have to wait long on this video showing you whatever. So now it's cooked, and the stock of it I kept here. Now I poured some over the vegetables I blended, and the beans I cooked it. I boiled it. No seasoning whatsoever, just boiled it with a bit of baking soda to make it look that color. Now we're starting the stew. So a bit of palm oil in here in our pot, and we're going in with some onions. So we've got some onions in here. We don't want to bleach this oil, so basically we're going in quite fast with our things here. We don't want it to slow. Yeah. I boiled it for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, honestly. I boiled it, and now it's nice and soft, you know. It's ready to fall off the bone. It's very soft, you know, very soft. And the beans are boiled for about an hour with a bit of baking soda. I haven't seasoned much of things. The oxtail, I did put a bit of salt in it, but I haven't seasoned it because I want, when it all comes together, to have a uniform, you know, taste going on there. So I'll wait and season it all together. I've got a bit of stock cube there. I will add a bit of my tomato puree on here. I just love using carrot as my base in my stew, seeing as in Ghana we've been brought up, you know, mostly using tomatoes, and finding out carrots, which wasn't somebody's idea, it was my own idea. I just didn't have the tomatoes at home, and then used the carrots, and the taste of carrots when you blended it, and it's so yummy. I love it. I love it better than tomatoes. So honestly, most of my base for my stews, I use the carrot instead of the tomatoes. I'm just gonna put some black pepper in here, a bit of tins of the black pepper. I quite like the smell of black pepper, plus the heat it gives. It's very lovely anyway. So I'll pop a bit of that, and seeing as we're cooking red, we don't mind a bit of color in here. I'm going with about a teaspoonful of turmeric, which is good for you anyway. So most of it foods I cook, I do like to put them in. It's nice. Okay. Now I'm going in with my meat that I'm using today, which is smoked mackerel and oxtail that I have boiled already. I didn't really season it much. I just used a bit of ginger and onions with a bit of salt, just a little bit of salt to cook this. So because I put a little bit of salt on the oxtail, yeah, it needs my stock cube, so I'll go in with the stock cube. I can't break here. Okay, so this has been simmering here for a bit. We can tell it's looking so yummy. I mean, and the smell in the house is amazing. I wish you make yours and it smells this good. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our boiled beans. These beans I've just boiled for about an hour max, really, with a bit of baking soda. That's why it's that color. That's how we like the color, really. And I boiled it very, very soft. So I'm going in with that right now. I mean, you can buy tinned beans as well if you haven't got the time to boil. Now, because I did not salt this, I have to taste to see if it does need salt. About a teaspoonful of salt, because I didn't put salt in it whatsoever. I swear, if you eat this, or if you invite a friend to eat this, they will want to eat in your house every day. This is so yummy. Okay, so our beef stew is nicely cooked here, nice and smooth looking, literally, like, oh, this is how I'll say it, literally, this boiled rice. Basically, you are good to go. Okay, so one of the ways you can serve bean stew is on a tortilla like this. You make a nice wrap. Just pop some rice on there, veggies on there, and a bit of the bean stew. Try to avoid the oily bit. You wrap it up. Yes, there you have it. I won't try to cut this one. But this is another way you can serve it, and it's nice and yummy. You warm the bread up a little bit. You have a bit of greens on it or salady stuff on it, and then a bit of bean stew and some rice. You're good to go. Thanks for joining me again today. All easy to make